Camau Sylfaen. Uned 22. Fideo 2 fersiwn y gogledd. Disgrifio'r tŷ. Yn y fideo hwn, da ni'n mynd i ddisgrifio'r tŷ. In this video, we're going to describe our houses. Da chi'n cofio Uned 21? Do you remember using the pattern pa fath o in Uned 21? Gwych. So we can ask what kind or what type of house is it? Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Pa fath o dŷ ydi o? Unwaith eto, once again. Pa fath o dŷ ydi o? Gadewch i ni ymarfer yr atebion. Now let's practice some answers. Tŷ ar wahân ydi o. It's a detached house. Tŷ teras ydi o. It's a terraced house. Bungalow ydi o. It's a bungalow. Flat ydi o. It's a flat. Bwthyn ydi o. It's a cottage. Da iawn. We may also want to ask how many rooms are in the house. Sawl ystafell sy yn y tŷ? Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl I. Sawl ystafell sy yn y tŷ? Sawl always takes the singular form of the noun. Sawl ystafell? Dyma'r atebion. Here are some possible answers. Gwrandewch yn ofalus ac ailadroddwch. Mae 8 ystafell yn y tŷ. There are 8 rooms in the house. Mae gynnon ni 4 ystafell wely. We have 4 bedrooms. Mae gynno fo gegin fawr. It has a big kitchen. Does gynnon ni ddim garage. We don't have a garage. Da iawn. Yn olaf, lastly, let's ask if someone has a new house. Tŷ newydd sy gen ti? Do you have a new house? Ac I ateb? Ia, tŷ newydd sbon. Yes, a brand new house. Naci. Hen dŷ. No, an old house. Arbennig. Rwan, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. A chofiwch da chi'n medru gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Now complete the activities in the unit and remember you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!